Hello, today I'm going to show you how to make fresh cappuccino with pre-ground coffee and your DeLonghi machine. Let's go!
Step number 1 of making coffee using pre-ground coffee is to get some pre-ground coffee, as you can see. Never add pre-ground coffee when the machine is off, or it could spread through the inside of the machine and dirty it. This could damage the appearance, of course. Never use more than one level measure, or it could dirty to inside the machine or block the funnel, of course. And there it is. In this center cover, we have to dip in the pre-ground coffee later. This is the pre-ground spoon. And there it is, fresh pre-ground coffee. We will dip this kind of pre-ground coffee inside the coffee spoon and take care never to use more than one level measure. Oh, this is important, okay? If you use pre-ground coffee, you can only make 1 cup of coffee at a time. This is important too, because there's not enough power to make 2 coffees at one time, okay? There, this is nice. Nice shape and nice level of this. Okay, now first turn the coffee taste machine on, because we do not add the pre-ground coffee to this if the machine is switched off. Okay, there on the left side, this is the on button, sorry about this. And now the machine will perform the first flash. The machine is cleaning, and now we have to look at these switches. Turn the coffee taste selection knob anti-clockwise as far as it will go to the spoon position. This allows to make coffee with pre-ground coffee, of course. And as you can see now, some water is coming out. This is a normal function, because the first time after we get the machine on, or we get the machine out of standby mode, the machine will clean itself by one tube flushing a little bit. So, and on the left side you can see the LEDs are flashing. That means the coffee machine is not ready yet. But there's one thing you have to do. You have to fill up the water tank with water. You do not have this to perform every time, but for example, we will perform it now. Dip so much water inside until the maximum range of the tank is reached. This is important too, to have enough water to make fresh pre-ground coffee with the machine, of course. There it is. I will show you the maximum line. This is over there. Wait a little bit. There it is. Okay. There is the maximum level for fresh water inside the tank. Now we have to assemble or get back the tank in position. And now we have enough water to make fresh coffee. Good job again. So, now the machine is ready to use. Good job. Oh yeah. Now we can make a little checkup. Everything is fine. The first flash performance is done. The LEDs are always on. That means the DeLonghi Magnifica is ready to use. So, now make sure the funnel is not blocked. Then add 1 level measure of pre-ground coffee. Only dip it in the center and let it in. Good job. This is enough 1 cup of coffee. 1 cup. of coffee, 1 cup of cappuccino, 1 cup of espresso, as you like. And as I am showing you not yet, but later. Okay, dip it in 1 time. And inside, the pre-ground coffee will chill a little bit in the tank, and then it will perform your hot coffee. Good job. Now close the cover again. Say salut to the pre-ground coffee. Good job. Now we can begin to make our delicious coffee product. Let's go.
Yeah, the machine is ready. We are using this kind of cup. This is cappuccino cup. This cappuccino cup we are placing under the coffee extraction hole or pipe. So then we have to look over there to switch the right direction. The trench has to be on the left side, anti-clockwise to minimum or under minimum because of the pre-ground coffee option. That means the pre-ground coffee action is on. Then on the left side there is a lever for the volume of the cappuccino, and this we are setting in the center and plus 3, I think, because on the right side, clockwise rotation to maximum, this is a full cappuccino cup, but we do not need a full cappuccino cup because of the creamier froth. Oh, so set it to the option that the cappuccino is going enough coffee inside, and press the 1 cup LED sign button. And then, as you can see, the pre-ground coffee with hot water will going into the cup of your cappuccino. This is the first step. This cappuccino is not so dark because I am using recycled pre-ground coffee. Okay, job's done. The cappuccino is ready? Not yet, because we need more. We need froth. And this froth we are going to make with a steam option. This is the right LED button, and a can, and fat-free milk. We will dip 100 milliliter of fresh fat-free, cold fat-free milk into the cup or can. Sorry about this. So then go back, take the fresh coffee, and this is not our main product now because the machine is ready to give some steam. That means our steam action can begin. Press the can under the steam area, and at the same time as you're holding the can under it, you have to rotate the knob to the position 1, and then you are going to make nice froth with this. Easy going. So when the steam light stops flashing and some comes on steadily, turn the steam knob to the position 1 as you've seen. But I have only one hand for the movie and one hand to make some operations. So if you're doing this with two-handed action, you can hold the cup under it and then rotate it to position 1. Steam is delivered from the cappuccino maker, giving the milk a creamier frothy appearance and making it more voluminous. For a creamier froth, rotate the container with slow movements in upward direction. You should not discharge steam for more than 3 minutes at a time. Yeah, there it is, fresh, self-made creamy froth. When you have obtained the correct froth, stop steam the rim by turning the steam knob back to position 0. Yeah, add the milk froth to the cup of coffee prepared previously. The cappuccino is nearly ready. We will need a little bit of design on top, as you can see. And for this, we will use cocoa powder. But this later. First step, we have to shovel more of the froth. Always turn the steam knob to position 0 before removing the container with the frosted milk to avoid burns caused by a splash of boiling milk. I fill it up a little bit with the milk inside, and our cappuccino is nearly ready. Now we will add some cocoa. Dip on. Good job. Cappuccino ready with pre-ground coffee. Nice flavor, nice and delicious. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me positive feedback, and see you next time. Soon.